Hey everyone, working on a, let's see what we got here. This is a 3.5 twin turbo Ford. This is a Transit 250. We had misfire codes, kind of intermittent. I couldn't get to replicate, today. We had PO 304, PO 306. Not even in firing sequence. So I'd just go ahead and order plugs. Couple coils for those cylinders because I know these things just need new coils all the damn time. That's already had 2 new ones put in, so we got a couple more, and we're doing plugs and boots on the rest of them. And when I pulled the number 4 and 6 out, I happened to let's see. Oh, looks okay. This one looks a little burned. There's just like some scarring in there, and that kind of tells me that one was the carbon track. This one here, if it'll focus. Anyways, that one there was just full of water. The top hat had torn right here and allowed water to come into the spark plug hole, and it got pretty messed up in there. So that caused misfire. And then this one you can see here, this one is the carbon tracked one. It just looks like a little black nasty on there, but it actually skips across the top of the ribs along the paint amazingly, and then out to the easiest path. Okay, I've seen them really burn badly all the way into the ceramic before. But these are the things that will cause you little misfires. So when you get little misfires and you get a flashing check engine light, get it checked out, because if you leave it too long, it will destroy your cat. Most of the let me get these out. Most of the modern day vehicles will shut down the injector so it protects the cat. It goes into cat protection mode, and that's what that flashing engine light means. So a lot of times these things will save themselves, but oftentimes by that time it's already done some damage. So when you have these misfires and jerking and bad performance out of your engine, you want to get it checked out right away, because these can get expensive. A set of cats on one of these newer vehicles will cost you several $1,000s, at least a couple. So get stuff checked out right away. Don't let your maintenance go. Preventative maintenance is the best maintenance. Have a good one, y'all. One more thing, one of my pet peeves is pulling spark plug coils that aren't greased. I have not tell you how many times I have had to dig these things out of the cylinder holes. Always grease your stuff. I use this little can of dielectric grease. I buy this can, it lasts me 6 months, and I do probably 5 to 10 tune-ups a week. So it lasts a long time. It's a good thing, but you can always get the little tiny packet at the counter, but always grease up the boot, or spark plug wire boot. Whatever goes over the spark plug, you need to grease it.